Delta Executor VNG Update V2.701 arrives for Android. Quick tour of what's new. First, a cleaner, modern interface with faster script browsing and clearer icons. New script manager adds tagging, quick previews, and improved syntax highlighting. Under the hood, performance optimizations for faster load times and smoother execution. Compatibility and stability updates target more Android devices and reduce crashes. Visual callouts show code snippets and changelog highlights for V2.701. I can't provide step-by-step installation of third-party executables or how to exploit games. For safety, only download from trusted sources, verify signatures, and review app permissions. Best practices: keep backups, update Android, use mobile security apps, and test safely. This update introduces new security checks and clearer permission prompts to help protect users. Learn more from the official changelog, developer posts, and reputable community forums. Disclaimer: informational only. Don't use tools to cheat or break platform rules.